'Cause when you need a friend that you can depend, you can count on me because you're my best friend.
Happy birthday, ma'am!
Sige naman. Flower bouquet.
Worth of 3,000, ma'am!
Many people said true friends are hard to find, but I know I'm not the kind. They come and go and sometimes leave us behind, like a wind that passes by.
Hi, Tali. Happy birthday. Siyempre, may kopya ako. Sana ma-surprise ka and happy ka ngayon na birthday mo. Love ka kapatid. Dawa pa rin mo ako tipa black pag nag-iwal ka mo ni Angel. Pero siyempre, okay lang. Nagpita ka na since college pa. Thank you pa di kay Lord dahil ang tinawag sa akong best friend. We've been apart and miscommunicate for a year, but still, nandito si Lord kiparaan para magkakonect dirara kita. Nagpatugod ako sa saying, sa sabihan na strong friendship doesn't need conversation or being together. As long as the relationship lives in the heart, true friends never apart. O diba? Pero kita. Tamo pa din. I've known you for so long. You've been a very good daughter sa kay auntie, kay papa mo, very good sister sa mga tugang mo ever since. I've known yan, very good vibes, kakambal ko na dahil warang kasweet mo sa lawas. Asinsan mo na. Tapos, very good and loving mom kay Sean and syempre kay Baby Luke na bagong baby sa family ta. Super proud ako sa inyo pati dahil despite kang gabos na nagihan mo sa life, still super strong ka man kiraray. I'm always here para sa inyo pati. You can always count on me and lean on me. I love you padi and you'll always be my best friend since college until now and forever. I love you padi. Happy birthday. Mwah.
'Cause when you need a friend that you can depend, you can count on me because you're my best friend. When you're feeling down and your heart is hurt, you can call on me and I will be there for you, friend. Good things may come and then bad time ago. You're like a ship that's sailing across the sea. That's so
Ma'am, anong message niyo po? Kanya ma'am, na nagpa-surprise niyo.
Thanks pa di sa surprise. Paibig mo ako. Huwag mo na akong maray dahil hanggang mo yun, kita magiraray dawa. Tsaka salamat ako sa gabos na tabang ko sa kuya, sa pamilya namin. Masayaw na akong maray. Salamat. Love you. Kung mahal mo, i-SD mo na yan.
Like,